Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna jerk a whole chicken in the oven, Jamaican style, so please stick around and watch this video. So first we're gonna start by cleaning and cutting up the chicken. So we're gonna spatch cut the chicken. So you just want to go ahead and locate the backbone, and the backbone is right here. So now we're gonna cut between, and you want to get a sharp kitchen shear, or you can use a sharp knife. And you just want to cut straight up, and you're gonna cut the next side. See, not too difficult, right out. So now you want to get a sharp knife and just cut the bone in the center. See, now we're just gonna clean out the meat. We're gonna clean out all of this in the cavities. You just want to clean this out. We don't want to jerk the chicken with all of these in it, you know. So we're just gonna clean this out with a knife. See all this from in the cavities. See? Now that we get everything from out of the cavities, we're just gonna go ahead and wash the chicken with a lemon or a lime underneath cold water. What the lemon is gonna do is cut away some of the rawness from the chicken, because sometimes chicken can be very raw. So you just want to use a lemon or a lime or some vinegar and wash the chicken. Please ensure that you wash the chicken. Salmonella is real. Come on, guys. This step is very crucial. So see, the chicken is nice and clean inside out. Okay? Nice. Our chicken is nice and clean. So now we're gonna add our dry rubs. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Jamaican Jerk seasoning. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. I'm gonna add some red crushed pepper flakes. You just want to massage this into the chicken nicely. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Badia complete seasoning. We're gonna rub again. And you want to try to get everywhere on the chicken, so when you bite into it, everywhere is nice and juicy and flavorful. Oh my goodness. Alright, so now we're gonna add some garlic powder. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic powder can never be too much. Okay, I like to use a lot of garlic powder on my chicken, and I'm gonna add some onion chops to it. Again, we're gonna massage this in. So each time you add the seasoning, you just massage it into the chicken. All right. right, nice. We put some underneath the skin. So now it's time to add our jerk seasoning, or wet jerk seasoning. And this is my wet jerk seasoning, and I'm using Walker's Wood wet jerk seasoning. Alright, and we're just gonna lather this onto the chicken. Oh my goodness, this is smelling good. This jerk rub is smelling amazing. Smelling really good. You want to ensure that you get everywhere on the chicken. So now we're going to leave this to marinate for at least 2 hours or an hour. Or if you can't wait, you just pop this into the oven. Alright, if you're on a rush, you just need to cook this right away, you can just do that. But it tastes really better if you marinate it for at least 1 to 2 hours. So we're just going to leave this to marinate, and we're going to preheat the oven. The chicken has been marinated for at least 2 hours now, and the oven is on 375 degrees preheated. And now we're going to pop this into the oven, and we're going to let it bake for at least an hour, and then we baste it with the juices from the chicken, and then we're going to put it on broil. This is looking amazing already, and it's not even cooked. So now we're going to pop it into the oven. After an hour and 15 minutes into the oven, guys, this is what it's looking like. Produce all this beautiful juice. So we're just gonna drain off the excess juice from the container. Now I'm gonna baste the chicken with the juice, because you want your chicken to be nice and juicy, right? So this is just the juice that was in the container. I'm gonna just pour this onto the chicken. I'm gonna put it back into the oven for the next 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, we're gonna put it on broil for 15 minutes. Alright? So this is getting nice and juicy and flavorful. So now we're going to put this back into the oven, because you know we always chop up our jerk chicken, and this is nice and juicy. Look at that. Oh my god, look at the juices flying. Look at the juices from the chicken, guys. This is so juicy. Look at this. The breast is nice and tender. Let me use a fork because this is hot. The breast is nice and juicy. Come on. And over here we have some festival to eat with our jerk chicken, because you know we have to eat either bread or festival with our jerk chicken. Oh my god, this is nice and juicy. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Look at this juicy jerk chicken, full of flavor, guys. Oh my goodness. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.